What is up, my crew? Welcome to season 4 of my 72 hours in. And as always, we start here in Phoenix. And this one's just a little bit different in that I've already been here for a few days visiting friends and family. So I'm here at the rental car place near the airport waiting for the rest of the guys. Same routine, every city. Same routine, every city. Same routine, every city. Look, all I want to do is go back in time and find out who it was that suggested you put fried chicken with a waffle and just give them a glorious high five, because that is brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant. I'm the one that used to live here, and I'm getting us lost. Leo, I'm sorry. Leo's back for season 4. Season 4, my 72 hours in Phoenix. It's raining, as you can see, which may not seem like a really big deal to you, but hey, maybe those of you either currently or formerly from Phoenix, there's no better smell on the planet than the desert right after the rain. I wish I could you help me? Could we get, oh, it smells so good. Humanity in a can. All right, well, our load-in day is wrapping up. One thing I have come to learn about this crew is that the only thing that really changes is the year. We get a little bit of a break, we come back, we get back at it. It just goes like clockwork. We've been without a whole lot of glitches today. Stuff came in, got it all set up. Now we can get some dinner and get some rest. Oh, the workday is finally through, and this is our well-deserved reward. Believe the hype. It's always good, always consistent, always delicious. Oh. Well, this really long day is not done yet because it's not done till we get our provisions for tomorrow. So we go to the market. I'm gonna guess, because I've been drinking it so much on this vlog, that Java Monsters have gotten very popular, because they sure have gone up in price. But I gotta have them, right? So I'm gonna start a GoFundMe so that you can help me stay caffeinated. Well, good morning. It's day 2 here in Phoenix. You heard me talk about it earlier. I love this town after it rains. It's like everything's clean and you just smell the desert. It's awesome. I had to go down and get a couple of miles in because I plan to eat very well, very local today. And that's the price you pay. So it's time to get at it. When I come to Phoenix, I have Well, I have a handful of goals, but one of them is always to eat as much Mexican food as I possibly can. So this is all about setting goals and then reaching them. This is from our YouTube channel.
Here we go.
This is the best breakfast burrito, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Have a nice day.
No lie, that's got to be easy 2 pounds of steak, egg, and cheese of deliciousness. Come on. Well, it is Friday here at the venue, and of course, you know I have to share some thoughts. And one of the things that hit me as we're diving into this new season, we're kicking off things here for 2019 once again. And for those of you who don't work in live production, let me tell you about one of the interesting things that we get to do, and it's just normal. We're always living in the now. Once we're in show mode, once things are actually happening, we're living in the now. We're taking care of whatever is happening on stage or within the program now, but we're also infinitely concerned about what's next. You've always got a director or somebody in your ear telling you what's next, because we always want to be able to transition from where we are to where we're going to be, and we want to do that as seamlessly as possible. And it made me think about real life. Yeah, I'm getting all philosophical. It's important to live in the now. It's important to take care of what's happening right now, but always have a finger on the pulse and be ready for whatever is next, so that you can make that transition, whether smooth, whether a little bumpy, but you're always ready to get on to whatever is next so that you can rock that moment as well. As is often the case in these conferences, I get stuck inside for a little while and you just get stir crazy, and that's what's happening today. Sorry if I keep belaboring the point about how amazing it is after the rain in Phoenix, but that's also a thing. And my skateboard's here, and it occurred to me that we're kind of on a hillside, and I'm looking at this, and there's a nice hill. Dare I? Yeah. This is my last will and testament. It's been fun. Okay, A, that was awesome. B, what you saw in that clip was nothing. This is a tame slope right here. It gets really steep the more you go that way. Right down. I don't know if I'm crazy for wanting to do this again, but I'm going to. All right, I lived through 2 runs. I will not tempt danger any more than that. I'm just glad that I can keep this bad boy on the trucks and blow off a little steam like that every once in a while. You know what? I am not the least bit ashamed that I am 52 years old and I just got busted by security for riding my skateboard. No regrets whatsoever. 2 days of loading it in, 2 days of setting it up, 2 days of running it through the paces, and now it's time to kick it off here in Phoenix, Arizona for 2019. Okay, you know what's cool? We were just tallying it up and we figured that it's been about 3.5 months since we have done any of these conferences. And if you've seen any of these before, you've heard me say it. We have such a killer crew that is so all over it. We pick up right where we left off and we rock it again. Kickoff here in Phoenix went awesome. We'll button it up for tonight, get back and knock out 2 sessions tomorrow, and be gone. One of my struggles on the road is that I don't ever want to be the guy that's holding up the crew. Like slept through my alarm or was late for some other reason. With that comes this inability to get really good sleep. That's the way last night went. Now I'm really tired. And we gotta get through this day. By we, I mean me. Well, we got through the morning session, and once again, Phoenix, my old hometown, just outdoes everybody with hospitality and taking care of folks. They got food trucks out here. They got lots of area for people just to hang out, make new friends, kill a little time before we get on to the second session in the afternoon, and we wrap this out of here. All right, well, the kickoff event for 2019 is under our belts. Now, the standard practice of everything that came out of a box has got to go back in a box and onto a truck so that we can take it out again, yeah, I'm making stuff up. Take it out again in Winston-Salem, North Carolina in about a month. Well, this may be the closest I've ever seen the trucks parked to each other, but we'll call this a wrap on Phoenix.